In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tags in Zoho Desk. Tags are a fantastic way to categorize and organize your tickets, making it easier for you and your team to manage and find important information swiftly. So, let's walk through the process step by step, making sure you can easily follow along and take away any helpful tips. First, you'll want to open the Tickets module within Zoho Desk. This is your main hub for supporting customer inquiries and managing your workflow. Once you're there, navigate to the specific ticket that you want to label. Selecting the right ticket is crucial because the tags you apply will help you track and retrieve these tickets effortlessly in the future. When you're in the Tickets detail view, you'll notice a section on the left pane that says Tags. This is where all the magic happens. If you prefer using shortcuts to speed up your workflow, you can press Shift+T, and it will bring you straight to the Tags field. This option is fantastic for those who like to incorporate keyboard shortcuts into their routine, offering a quicker and more efficient way to manage tickets. In the Tags section, start typing the word or phrase you wish to use as a tag, such as feature request. As you begin to type, Zoho Desk will provide autocomplete suggestions based on any existing tags that match your entry. This feature is particularly useful because it allows you to maintain consistency across your tagging system, ensuring there's no confusion with duplicated or similar tags. If a suitable suggestion appears as you're typing, simply click on it to reuse an existing tag. This not only saves time, but helps keep your tags neat and organized. However, if your desired tag doesn't appear among the suggestions, go ahead and finish typing the full tag name. Once done, press Enter. With that short action, Zoho Desk will create your new tag instantly and assign it to your ticket right away. This means that the ticket is now categorized under that tag, making it easier for you to locate or filter it in the future as your ticket database grows. By following these steps, you're not just organizing your support tickets, you're also streamlining the entire process for your team and improving overall efficiency. Tags can become a powerful tool for tracking requests, identifying trends, or implementing new strategies, so it's a good practice to regularly maintain and review the tags you and your team use. Remember, as you become more familiar with the tagging process, these steps will soon become second nature, and you'll be able to create and manage tags without even thinking twice about it. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing.